Welcome to Sienna by Crown Asia in Molino 5 Bacoor, Cavite.
Hello guys, ito po is Mark Anthony Galbuena, your property consultant po dito sa Siena, Bacoor, Cavite in Molina 5. Ito po is Francisco Model House. Floor area is 140 square meter and minimum lot area is 200 square meter. Ito is two-story model for 5 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath with balcony and parking. The next is Grand Ladro, and this is 200 square meter lot area, minimum lot, and 219 floor area. The next is floor plan. This is 4 bedrooms with private toilet and bath, living area, family area, maid's quarter with private toilet and bath, powder room, service area, 2 car garage, 2 porch, then balcony and parking. Then next is Sapar. This is floor area is 110 square meter. Then lot area is 121 minimum lot. Then floor plan is two-story model, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, maid's room, 1 carport balcony, and porch.
I-start po natin about dun sa Sienna by Crown Asia sa Bacoor, Cavite. Then, ang unang unit po natin ang explain is about sa computation ng Francesco model. Ang price po niya is 20.9 million. 20,956,109. Ang reservation fee niya sa lahat ng option is 150,000. Meron po tayong 1 to 5 na option para sa installment and spot cash. Spot cash is one option na po. 40% discount. Yan po. Tapos reservation fee niya is 150,000. Then ang amount due niya is 12.4. 12,483,665. Yan po. Then option 2 niya is 30% spot down payment is 7.3 M. Ang discount niya po is 15%, 3.1 M. Reservation fees 150,000. Then 4 million na lang po yung pinaka spot down payment nyo. Then 10% is 87,000 monthly. Then 60% nyo po is 12.5. Yan. Tapos option 3 naman is spot DP 20%. Ang amount due is 1.9. May discount po kayong 2%. 10% outright discount naman po yan. Then 87 din po yung 10% in 24 months. Then 14.6 naman yung 70% loanable amount. Option 4 nyo po is spot DP 10%. Less po natin yung 5% outright discount. Magiging junior is 905,000. Mahigit na lang po. Then 87,000 plus pa rin yung 3. Magiging monthly in 10% 24 months. 80% loanable nyo po is 16.7 plus. Option 5 is straight DP, 15% in 24 months, then 85% loanable amount. Then, ang magiging monthly DP nyo po is 124,000. Then, balance is 17.8. Yan po yung sa Francesco. Then, next naman is sa Liado. Sa Liado naman po is ang presyo niya po niya is 25,271,846. 25.2. Then sa spot cash niya is 40% discount. Ang due nyo po is 15 million na lang po. May get 15,073,108. Option 2, 30% spot DP nyo po is 4.9. May discount po kayo na 3.7. Then 105,000 plus po yung 10% in 24 months. Then 15.1 po yung magiging loanable amount. Then option 3, spot DP 20%. Ang magiging due lang po is 2.3. Yan po. Then, ang 10% niya is 105,000 plus. Then, 70% balance niya po is 17.6. Option 4 naman is spot BP niyo po is ang magiging due niyo po is 1.1. 5% out of discount po is 1.2. And 10% is 105,000. Magiging po 80% balance is 20.2. Then option 5 is DP in 24 months. 151,000 plus. Then 21.4 naman po yung balance niya. Then next po sa Sapphire. Ito po yung pinakamababa po namin dito sa Siena by Crown Asia sa Bacoor, Cavite. 17.6. Or if dollar po is $299,000 po plus 646. Reservation fee nyo po dito is 100,000. Then sa option 1 spot cash is ang magiging due nyo po is 10.5 plus. Option 2 spot DP. Ayan po, tapos sa spot DP niya is option 2 is 30% spot down payment. Ang due nyo po is 3.4. Magiging spot DP niya po is 3.4 M plus. Then 10% 24 months is 73,000 in 24 months. 60% balance niya po is 10.5. Yun. Tapos sa option 3, spot DP 20% is ang magiging due niyo po is 1.6 plus. Tapos 10% 24 months is 73,000. 70% balance niyo po is 12.3. Then option 4, spot DP 10%, 10% 24 months. Magiging due nyo po 785,000 na lang, may git po. Then 73,000 plus po yung 10% 24 months. Then 80% balance nyo po is 14 M plus. Option 5 naman is 15% DP in 24 months. 105,000 plus. Balance nyo po is 14.9. Yan. Yun po yung mga computation ng 3 units. Hindi pa po sinama yun sa lot only. Then, next video po is i-vlog din po na. I-vlog din po namin. Then, sa project information naman po is, ito po kasi yung pinakabago namin. And